Hi, I'm Ramon from Tres Estrechos and today I'm going to show you how to make this candy cane using vectary. The first step will be to go to the vectary webpage and start the design. Once we are in the modeling space, we are going to start drawing a sketch of the shape that we want. This step will be easier if we have activated the snap to grip option. I will speed up this step because I was adapting to the controls. Now we can start to draw our model. In order to do it, we are going to select the Draw Cylinder option in the side panel. To make it easier, we are going to use the previous sketch as guide. When we click in a point, we will be able to set the radius of the cylinder. Then, if we turn the view, we can adjust the length of the cylinder. Once we click End, a dial will appear. This dial will allow us to adjust the length, the radius, and the segments of our cylinder. Now I will draw another cylinder. Once we have two cylinders, it's time to use the bridge function to complete the shape of a basic cane. To use this function, we will select the faces of the ends that we want to join. To make the selection faster, we can use the paint function of the selection tools. Once we have selected the faces, we will select the bridge function of the side panel. When the bridge had been created, an option dial will appear. Here we can select the number of segments, the twist, and a few more options. After a few adjustments, we have the base for our candy cane. Now it's time to give to this cane the typical twists of a candy cane. To do it, we will use the marquee option of the selection tools and use the rotation to give the twisted shape to the selected faces of the cane. As you can see in the video, it's a process of 3 steps: selection, rotation, and deselection. Every time we select again, we catch a row less. The next step will allow us to hollow the model like the one shown in the photo at the beginning of the video. In order to make this, we will use another function of the selection tools. This is the loop function. If we select one face and then we click this function, it will select all the faces of the same column. We are going to repeat this process, letting one column between the selected columns. Before deleting the selected faces, we will add bevel. This will give a smoother edge to the model. In order to do it, we are going to select this option from the side panel. After this, we can eliminate the faces pressing the delete key or clicking in the trash icon in the upper part of the page. The next step will be to add volume to the model. To do it, we will select all the model and use the extrude function, and drag the arrow outside. Also, the base of the model will have to be extruded, but this time we will add segments when we extrude the faces. Clicking in smooth, we can see how the model will look. The last step will be to create a ring through which the rope that we will use to hang it will pass. To do it, we will use the Draw a Ring option . In this case, I cut a section of the ring because I only want it in the outside part. Once we have it, we can adjust the position. Once the model is done, we can upload it to the vectary web page. And if you want, you can upload it directly to my Minifactory using the plugin integrated in vectary. If you liked the video, hit the thumb up button and subscribe to the channel. If the video didn't like you, please leave a comment telling me why and how you think I can improve it. Have a nice day.